Let's see. Okay, so I can't get these pliers back here, so I'm just going to cheat and take off the booster. And it doesn't help, I really don't have my nice pair of pliers with me. And it really sucks I don't have my nice pair of pliers with me. What the heck am I talking about? I don't remember that. That's fine. Okay. Okay, cut that tube off. Alright, what more do we lack? Let's see what we got. I don't really, I guess I might have to pull this thing off. I don't really know how to pull it off. This one, pull out. So, oh. Yeah, mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. I don't know how to get this off. Hello? Eugene checks over there laughing at me. There's a 40 guy over here, don't know how to take pressure tracks. He's like, what? Well, broke that. We'll fix that. We'll figure something out and I'll fix that. We won't talk about it. Yeah, y'all. Oh, didn't see that. It didn't happen. Dang it. Okay, well. I'm too worried. I'll figure out something to fix it. Put a little vacuum elbow on there. Right onto there. Take the quick connect off as soon as I figure that one out. Fine. Happens. It really do be that way sometimes. Alright. Okay, whoever did this water pump, thanks for your cheap worm clamps that you got off your 19 something Chevy pickup. Looks like you found these in the back of them Vietnam War. Okay, cool. So you get hose clamps too. I'm just gonna pull off this truck arm sitting here. Pull these off. hold you up here. Big sad. Grab your neck and wring it. Stick the coils in the back of the window and you can't get to them. Look right now, that bolt ain't going back in. That's about it. Out first. Oh. These guys. Okay, now. Give me a bolt. Okay, well. Yeah, that's a good idea. We'll just do that. No. It's not a good idea. So since I don't own a full one, extensions, we're going to make oh, I forgot I broke this. It's fine, it'll still work. Oh. I'll just go over the maybe. Just maybe. Okay. There's the rest of it. instead of just unbolting random things. Phil. Golly, people. Just buy gaskets. They're literally like $3. So we put high temp red on it. Bro. Okay. Well, that was done. Yeah. Why is this side easy? Huh? Tell me. Why is it easy? Okay, I'm just gonna. I got brand new spark plug wires, so I really don't care what happens to these. Well, I guess I do, because it's always good to have backups. Okay, what are we? Oh, missed one. Coil bolts. So this is the side that was making all the noise. So I'm really curious to see what's going on in here. So we're gonna pull this valve cover off real quick. Or, go to the store. Yeah. Bolts are a little dirty. Sorry if I'm bumping the camera. I gotta get this back pulled out real quick. Okay. Let's see what we got going on in here. Doesn't look too bad. We'll probably find that field lifter once I get in there. So it'll be alright. Looks pretty clean in there. You know, I'll keep my oil changes regularly. Oh, you can't even see. There you go. Looks pretty good in there. Anyways. Anyways, that was weird. Anyways, if you want to see what I'm seeing here, yeah, who just, why? No wonder my water pump was leaking. I got the actual gaskets over there in my Texas Speed kit. I think for now, we're going to leave her like she is. I need a couple things, and I need to let my battery charge Milwaukee. I used it all yesterday, stuff at work. But we're going to grab a couple things. I know I need oil. I need either the quick disconnect tool for the radiator or what. I'm going to see if I can leave the condenser in it. But, yeah, we'll go from there. I'm going to have to... I need coolant. There's something else that I needed. Anyways, we'll be back. Alright, a little update. I decided it's a little easier for me to tear this engine down instead of setting it over the camera, because I can't set the camera up and do all this. But intake's off, headers were unbolted, bouncer is off. I'm about to pull the front cover and pull the heads, and we'll go from there. So yeah, I'll jump to whenever I got the heads and the front cover off, and we'll go from there. Alright, here, alright, here's an update. That cylinder head's off. That cylinder head's off. All the lifters are out of it. Cam's pulled out, sitting over here on the ground. So, whew, I didn't buy enough brake clean. Clean these heads up. Put the new valves. Oh, where are the heads at? Oh, they're over there. Don't look at that. We're not talking about that. That doesn't look very good, but it'll be alright. I'm gonna put the new valve springs on the head. I gotta run to the... I gotta get my tools real quick. Forgot my valve spring tool. That's alright, I'll go get it. Put these valve springs on. Brand new Texas Speed Beehive valve springs. They're equivalent of the GM LS6, I believe the yellow Beehives. No, it's the blues. Should be the blues. Yeah, it's one of those two. So we'll get this old Texas Speed cam thrown in here in a minute. So we'll get back to putting this thing together. So, anyways, I'll get at y'all here in a minute. I'm gonna throw the new seal on the front cover. Get the valve springs put on, and I'm gonna get the cam put in. Yeah. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Yep. Just as I expected. We're not going to look at those, so we're going to quit looking at that. But for 180,000 miles, engine's still pretty good. Got cross hatching going on in the cylinders. Looks really good. I got a bunch of coolant in there, and that screwdriver that fell over on there. That's fine. So I'm gonna run to the old parts store real quick and get some brake clean and stuff real quick. So I'm gonna get this gasket off real quick while I'm standing here. Come on with it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay. Anyways, talk at you here in a little while. I think while I'm gonna be off camera, I'm gonna clean up the water pump gasket area and that area, and scrape everything down, make sure the deck surface is nice and clean. I'm gonna clean up the heads as best as I can. I fortunately don't have my parts washer. So, alrighty, I'll get back to y'all here in a little while. Well, I had stopped last night. Figured it was a good time to finish up for the night, and always gotta remember, gotta make sure you keep your woman fed. So went and got her some good food. Finishing up now. I'm kind of doing this off camera. It's made it really hard for me to work with camera because I have no tripod or anything. But intake's on. Torqued down the rocker arms. Heads are torqued down. Working on putting the coils on now. Headers are... I hate headers. Woo! Why do you have to make my truck sound so good? Power, baby. Power, baby. Anyways. So, yeah. I do have to run to the parts store. Oh my god, it is windy as can be out here. But I gotta run to the parts store and get the long installer for the LS balancers, and we're almost there. Looking pretty good. The blue ain't bad. I didn't really spend a whole lot of time. I just kind of over it. So anyways, all right, here we go. About to fire her up, put it together, see what it does. Alright guys, had a little issues on startup. Genius me forgot to torque down one of the rocker arms over there, causing a bunch of lifter noise. But here it is, running pretty good. Got good oil pressure, nothing's leaking so far that I can tell. You can hear my massive exhaust leak. Not bad for untuned. Hopefully I can get it tuned here in just a little bit and take her out for a rip. Sounds pretty good too. Let's give her a little oomph on her. She's been running for a good little bit. Oh yeah. Pretty decent. Yep. Everything sounds good. I might just have to pull that muffler off. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Pretty good. Sorry these videos have been so weird. I had such a hard time trying to videotape and work on this thing at the same time, but you know, we're here, we got it done. So next we gotta get that thing out of here. Thing tire's flat. Good Lord, I made a mess. It's fine, I'll clean it up. Anyways guys, I'm gonna clean up and we'll go from there. I'll show you a video later of me street driving it, see how it does. So once I get the tune on it and stuff, I don't know, I might go drive it now, we'll see. But I'll talk at y'all later. Take it easy.